response to those who say stop dreaming and face reality, I say keep dreaming and make reality. To our school's division superintendent, Ma'am G. Veloso, CESO 5, represented by Mr. Lucio A. Macala Jr., our proactive city mayor, Honorable Level Merrick M. Acosta, our inspirational guest speaker for today, Mr. Christian D. Alhaz, the supportive Barangay Council of Piabang Alto, spearheaded by Barangay Captain Luz P. Bacasnot, our remarkable and ingenious school head, Ellen Joy P. Handubon, our passionate and kind teachers and staff, beloved parents and guardians, kindergarten completers and fellow graduates, isang matatag na hapon sa ating lahat. This year's moving up and graduation ceremonies bear the theme Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. This theme shows what our generation is all about. Young Filipinos working hard to make our country strong in the future. It's about what we all hope for and our strong commitment to making things better for the next generation. Today, as we stand on the threshold of a new chapter in our lives, I want to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for journeying with me through these remarkable years of elementary education. As we bid farewell to our beloved school, let us carry forward the lessons and memories we have gathered along the way. Let us remember the friendships forged, the challenges overcome, and the dreams nurtured within these walls. These experiences will serve as our compass as we navigate the journey ahead. On behalf of the class of 2024, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our dedicated parents and guardians. Despite facing challenges in meeting our financial needs, you have consistently provided us with unwavering support. Your prayers and support have propelled us to this point. Though we may not reach our ultimate destination, we have certainly come a long way from where we stood years ago. To our teachers, we are forever grateful for the knowledge, guidance, and mentorship you have provided us with. You have be our best, inspired us to dream big, and help us to unlock our full potential. Today, as we step into the world beyond, let us embrace the responsibility entrusted to us as Filipino youth. Let us embody the value of integrity, wisdom, and compassion. Let us strive to contribute positively to our communities, to uphold the principles of justice and equality, and to work tirelessly toward building a brighter future for our beloved country. May we always remember that we should never let anyone attempt to block our success, diminish our goals. Instead, we must keep dreaming and make those dreams into reality. Thank you, my dear classmates, for the wonderful memories we have shared and for the indelible mark you have left on my heart. Let us move forward with courage, optimism, and steadfast commitment to be the agents of change our nation needs. Together, as the youth of the Philippines, let us build a future that is truly worthy of our dreams. Mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino! Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas! Thank you.
Now to sing